Want to make some extra cash without leaving your couch? Here are the top 10 legit ways to earn money online. First up, freelancing. Offer your skills like writing, graphic design, or video editing on sites like Upwork and Fiverr. Next, try affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions. Perfect for bloggers and influencers. If you're into e-commerce, dropshipping might be your gig. Sell trending products without keeping inventory using Shopify. Or design and sell custom merch with print-on-demand services like Teespring. Got a skill to teach? Create online courses on Udemy or offer coaching services. And for the content creators, think YouTube, blogging, or even TikTok. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, or selling digital products. Photography fans, sell your snaps on Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. For remote jobs, become a virtual assistant or customer service rep. Check out We Work Remotely. Looking for passive income? Invest in stocks or cryptocurrency with apps like Robinhood. Finally, get paid to test websites and apps on user testing. There you have it. 10 legit ways to make money online. Start exploring and find what works best for you. Happy earning.